in Slingshot, you can take your dashboards and you can export them into PDFs so that if you need to share these with maybe clients or other prospects or whatever it might be, you can do that very easily. So you can come up here to the overflow and you can click export and then you can choose PDF. And basically what this export will do is the first few slides will be a full screenshot of your whole dashboard. And then the respective pages will all be each individual visualization that makes up your dashboard. The checkboxes are for you to, whether you want to select or deselect anything that you don't want to include, like you can deselect the full screenshot of the dashboard, and then you can also deselect maybe certain visuals that you didn't need to include. As well as that, you can come here to the annotate button, and you can also add annotations that will appear directly onto your PDF export. You also have the ability to add branding to your export where you can change your name, the company name, as well as add some custom branding such as your logo and change the color that's the primary color on the export. And then for PDF, you can also select whether you want to export this into a portrait or a landscape mode. Each of these sheets also has the ability to change the name and add a description to them to give more information and context into each individual page. And then once you have what it is that you are ready to export, all you need to do is click Export to PDF. And you can see that your file exported right into a PDF presentation that you can send over to clients or anybody else that might need access to these visualizations and insights.